Program 1. Write a code to create a series object using Python list 4, 6, 8, 10. See, we have to write speedy.series 4, 6, 8, 10 within square brackets. Second program, here we have used sequence instead of list. So for sequence, we use small brackets. Number 3. So write a program to create a series object using individual characters O, H and E. This is actually E. See the solution. S3 is equal to pd.series, and in square brackets we have taken 3 characters within single quotes O, H, E. So this is how we can create a series. See, this is your output. Okay, now let us move to next. This is our next program. Write a program to create a series object using a string. String can be anything within double quotes. So this is a string. Thank you. So import pandas as pd. S4 is equal to pd.series and write thank you like this. So you will see series object having thank you string. Now if we want multiple characters, then we have program number 5. Write a program to create a series object using 3 different words: laptop, desktop, smartphone. So we have this line S5 is equal to pd.series laptop, desktop, smartphone, and enclose this within double quotes. You will see this output. Write a program to create a series object using an ND array that has 5 elements in the range 24 to 64. So here we are going to use linspace to create numbers between 24 to 64. So import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. Why we are using numpy? Because linspace is available in this library only. So we have to rewrite x is equal to np dot linspace 24, 64, 5. Here it means starting value is 24, end value is 64, and in between these two numbers equally spaced 5 elements are required. That is why we have written here 5. Then we will create a series by using x. So s6 is equal to pd.series x. Display this series, and here is your output. See, you have numbers 24.0, 34.0, 44.0, 54.0 and 64.0. We can use range method also. We will see in some other. Now program number 7. Write a program to create a series using ND array that is created by tiling a list 3, 5 twice. Tiling means 3, 5 should come something like this. See the output. So import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. S7 is equal to pd.series np.tile. Then within brackets there is a list 3, 5. How many times? 2 times. So this is how we can create a list twice in tile form, and with this we have created a series S7. If you print this series, you will see this output. Next, write a program to create a series object using dictionary that stores the number of students in each section of class 12. It means we have to create a series something like this: 12th A, 12th B, 12th C, having some number of students. So for this we need a dictionary. Let us see. Import pandas as PD. Now here we are creating a dictionary named as student, curly braces. It means it is a dictionary. 12th A colon 39, 12th B colon 41, 12th C colon 44. Now using this student dictionary, we are going to create a series. S8 is equal to PD dot series student. So this S8 is representing this series. So this is your output. Next program. Program number 9. Write a program to create a series object that stores the initial budget allocated 50,000 each for the 4 quarters of the year. 4 quarters are quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So for these 4 quarters you have to allocate 50,000 each. So how can we do this? See this line. S9 is equal to PD dot series 50,000, comma, create an index. Index is equal to quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Very simple. So all these indexes will be allocated 50,000. See the output. Print S9. Then you have this output. Quarter 1 50,000, quarter 2 50,000, quarter 3 50,000 and quarter 4 50,000. Program number 10. Now see, total number of medals to be won is 200 in inter-university games held every alternate year. You have to create a series that stores medals for games to be held in 2020 to 2029, but alternately. It means 2020 having 200 medals, then 2022 200 medals, 2024 200 medals, and so on. So let us see the solution. See this line. Import pandas as PD S10 is equal to PD dot series, right here 200, and create an index by using range 2020 2029 starting value, ending value, and 2. It means step value is 2. So every time 2 will be added. 2020 plus 2 is 2022. Then 2022 plus 2 is 2024. So S10 is that series. If you display it, this will be your output. See 2020 200, 2022 200, 2024 200, 2026 200 and 2028 200, and the last value will be 2030, but it is less than the range, that is why this will be the last one. Okay, thank you students. If you have any problem you can write me in comments.